Hello, good morning, good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Claire Mina, 31 of age. Married, I have one child. She is 1-year-old girl. College level, graduate of Office Administration Associate. I've experienced before from 2019 to 2023. 2 adults and 2 kids, 7 and 11 years old. My main duties, take care of the kids, cooking, housework, and ironing. And then I have experience now. I'm start November 12, 2025, but I break contract last December 16 to January 16, my last working days 2026. My reason terminate is I cannot meet your expectation from me as helper, and my personality is kind, loyalty, trustworthy, and hardworking, and I'm willing to learn. I follow your instruction, ma'am. Hope to see you, ma'am, and thank you. God bless.